Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Cylinder mowers have become surprisingly popular among homeowners over the past couple of years. Originally, these mowers were primarily designed for golf courses and sports fields. Now your average Joe, like me, invests in a cylinder mower for a more manicured mode to show off their pride and joy. Here's what you need to know about cylinder mowers. How cylinder mowers work. Cylinder mowers, or reel mowers, are known for not tearing grass blades, giving a cleaner cut. These mowers have a rotating cylinder equipped with blades and a stationary bed knife. The reel blades guide the blades towards the bed knife, where they are cut by a shearing action. You will need to mow your lawn at least weekly when using a cylinder mower. Cylinder mowers are not designed to cut overgrown grass. If your grass is too long, the mower will get bogged down and won't cut the lawn properly. As well as regularly mowing your lawn, change the direction you mow each time you cut. This will stop the lawn laying over from the rear and front rollers and allow it to stand up for a cleaner, more precise cut. This is especially true if you buy yourself a manual reel mower. If you try to take off any more than 10mm of grass with these mowers, they won't cut the grass. The lower you mow, the more often you'll have to mow your lawn. If you're mowing at 25mm, for example, you'll have to mow about once a week. If you're cutting the grass lower, say at 5mm, you'll have to mow almost daily like they do on golf courses. Cylinder mowers can generally cut anywhere from 35mm down to 2mm. It's important to know what type of grass you have and what height you can cut that particular variety to, so you can select a mower that works in that range. Buffalo and tall fescue like to be a little taller, so you'll need to find a mower that cuts in the 30 to 50mm bracket. The second-hand Scott Bonner 45 is a great option for these grass types if you can get a hold of one at a decent price, because you can get custom rollers that allow you to cut up to 50mm. It's hard to find a reel mower that will cut at this height without modification. You can get these grass types below 30mm, but it will take a lot of time and commitment. Kikuyu and Zoysia like to be cut in the middle. About 15 to 30mm is the sweet spot for these lawns with a cylinder mower. This opens a lot of options when it comes to selecting what mower you would like to buy. Couch grasses prefer to be cut a little lower, anywhere from 5 to 20mm. If you have a hybrid couch variety, like Tiff Tough, they can be taken even lower due to the finer leaf blade. Perennial ryegrass and Kentucky bluegrass like to be cut in the middle as well. 15 to 25mm is the sweet spot with a cylinder mower, but you can take these grasses lower if you desire. These are the most popular mowers on the market for homeowners. Scott Bonner 45 or a Rover 45 second hand, Protea, Swardman, Mass Sport Olympic Series, Bush Ranger, Super Swift 17-inch, or a push reel mower, for example a Victor 16-inch razor cut. You can use any of the mowers mentioned, or you can take it to the next level and get yourself a greens mower, like a John Deere Precision Cut, although it's best to look second hand, as these can be pretty expensive. With a good quality cylinder mower and regular mowing and maintenance, you can achieve some outstanding results with your home lawn. You should also be able to develop some nice stripes, or if preferred, that bowling green flat carpet look you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.